This is the Google Pixel Fold. The Pixel packs some serious spec. It's got the Tensor G2 chip, 12 gigs of RAM, and you can choose between the 256 or the 512GB of storage. Google is also promising over 24 hours of battery life, but don't worry, we'll put the Pixel to the test. Like any other folding device, the Pixel Fold does come with a pre-installed screen protector on the larger display. The cameras are extremely interesting, boasting a 48 megapixel main and ultra-wide camera, as well as a 5x periscope lens which supports 20x super res zoom. Even though this is the first time Google has made a folding phone, it really doesn't feel like one. While closed, it feels like a standard phone, and this is helped by the full-size front display and the thinness of the Pixel coming in at 12.1mm. The Pixel Fold features a massive 5.8-inch display on the outside and a larger 7.6 inches on the inside. Follow for more.